this is the Magnificent 7 featuring Apple. And we're looking at the TradingView platform. The TradingView platform offers you a lot of ways to analyze either the price charts or fundamentals, get some analyst ratings. You could look at heat maps. You can use scanners and all sorts of things with TradingView. But as we analyze Apple, you'll notice in the window here in the bottom right-hand corner that there's some information that's displayed, particularly what the last price was or the close price was. And you can always see the volume as well. 36 million shares traded, average volume for 30 days, almost 50 million. And then you see the market capitalization at 3.38 trillion. Then you can at a glance, you can see the earnings. And you can see that they beat earnings the last 4 quarters. And then they have another earnings coming up. On the chart, you'll see at the bottom there's some different dividend dates and earnings dates. So the next earnings date, if you click on it, you can see what that is. That's 10/24 is the next earnings date. So we expect some movement in the price during that particular time period. As we continue down, you can see information about dividends. You can also see income statements. So income statement is listed here. The dark blue is the revenue. The net income as well, and it's showing that they're doing pretty well overall. I mean, this is in the billions of dollars, so we're looking at quite a bit of income that's coming into this particular company. You can also look at the balance sheet, and this is going to give you assets over liabilities. And if you notice here, they have more assets than liabilities, which is good. And then you can also look at cash flow as well, operating, investing, and financing cash flows. So usually leave that on income there. And then you have performance. And the performance over the last year to date, 6 months, 3 months, 1 month, so on and so forth. And you also have technical indicators with overall sort of speedometer, you might say, but it shows you that it's just a neutral as far as buy-sell indication from the technicals. And then you could get deeper into the technicals if you click here to show you all the different technicals that it's analyzing, but it gives you a general idea of where we are. Analyst ratings. So the analysts are rating this a buy, and the good thing here about the analyst ratings, you can go deeper into detail about that. And as you see here, that again, this buy rating that shows here, and you see the analyst rating. So they're saying that 34% of the analysts rated that it will go to 300, 11% think it'll go to 247. Some people, I guess this is the current price that we're at. And then 16% think that it's going to drop to 186. So you can use this information to kind of get a feel for where the market might go. These, analysts generally are people who really watch the market and that sort of thing. So it provides some additional detail. Of course, there's quite a bit of information, as you can see here, that TradingView provides for you, and you can get much, much deeper into it. Close that out. And then we get just into the company profile. So for most companies, you're going to see the company profile information about a website, how many employees they have, and you're going to see details about the actual company. So getting just into the technicals associated with Apple, this is the daily chart. So we've seen that the price has gone up. We did have this major sort of pullback in August. We've been building back up since then. We created a new higher low right here, and that is equal to this lower high that occurred here, which makes this somewhat of a head and shoulders, inverse head and shoulders pattern that you might see here. But the anticipation is that the price will continue to move up. Now it needs to clear this 25-day moving average and trade above that, but otherwise all indications are that it should continue up and beyond the highs that are located here. So at least retest those highs. So that's pretty much the forecast for Apple at this particular juncture, that we are looking for more upward movement. Again, it's the daily chart, so that could take, a month, that could take a week, 2 weeks, it just depends. And it could take months, I guess. You just have to analyze that part on your own and try to figure out what you believe in when certain things are going to happen. But based on the momentum that we're seeing so far, it looks like it's going to trend up into this price at about 236, it looks like. And then we'll see where it goes from there. So that's the forecast for Apple.